Asensemo yaye omuwakili Kioko Kilukumi nigo abagakubagikira abari bakumoche kiombe cy'abachorine kimebe IBC asogoteba buna nigo babwatogeta amachibu atari amaikirano ase obochori bw'umwako yega asikeri abagakwegerera ekiombe kinatana nigo yekiranete emirimo yabo buna ebwenerete Kioko boigo nigo ateba buna aba commissioner bekiombe ke IBC tali barabo babachoro murai korende n'abakikura.
Presidential elections are determined by commissioners. Anybody who wants to become the president of Kenya must have in his corner the Kenyan electorate. And that voter who turns up in the polling station, not the one who stays away. And if you convince that voter who turns out and you get the majority of votes, you become the president. 7 commissioners cannot make you the president. 4 commissioners cannot make you the president. Who makes the decision as to who becomes the president of the Republic of Kenya? It is our humble submission. It is not the commission. It is not any of the commissioners. It is the electorate. It is the